Hi, welcome to Glide Tech Fix. My name is Felicia. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you on how to install Glass Stream on your Android. So the first step you have to take is to go to your browser and type in Cloud Stream GitHub. So you look for the link that have an APK official download. So you just click on it. So right here, you just click on the download now option. Scroll gently to the very end. You're going to see the different version of the Cloud Stream here. You just have to select the particular one, click on the download. Having done that, the next step you can take is to click on the app you just downloaded. So you're just going to click on the updates and now to install it on your device. You can see mine is getting installed already on my device. Just click on the open. So you just have to set it up, click on the allow. So now you can set it up the way you want it to look like on your device. So guys, that is it on how to install Cloud Stream app on Android. If this video was helpful, please do also follow Glide Tech Fix for more fun tricks that make money. Thanks for watching.